Jonathan Torre,
and Allison von Wahl.
and you know what day it is.
It's Emergency Mug Meal Monday.
And since it's February, we have a little special treat for you guys.
It's a 4-ingredient chocolate mug cake.
Whether you want to give it to someone special in your office,
Or someone special at home.
or if you just want to simply just love yourself,
Let's get started.
let's get on it.
So what you'll need are heavy whipping cream, semi-sweet chocolate chips, cocoa powder, eggs, and optional are powdered sugar.
And don't forget the ServiceFirst mug.
Okay, so the first step is we put 1 tablespoon of whipping cream and 1/4 cup of chocolate chips, and then put in the microwave for 40 seconds. Okay, so now we are going to stir this up. Make sure you really stir it well before adding the next ingredients. Okay, then we're gonna add our egg. And our cocoa powder. And vigorously stir until everything is well blended. Okay, all stirred up. And now we put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Ooh, looks good. Okay, so we're gonna let it set for about 20 seconds. Can't wait to dig in. Okay, now it's a little bit cooler. We could add some garnish. Make it look pretty. Okay, we're good.
Wow, this looks really, really good. Allison, would you be my Valentine?
No, but I will have a bite.
What? All right. Let me try some too.
Oh my gosh. That is so good.
Wow. Remember, if you have an emergency or simply need a mug,
You know who to call.
call ServiceFirst. We gotta go.